I was kind of bummed they didn't have any of the LED for the 8.6 that I need until I started digging around, and looks like somebody hid the LED behind the halogen. I wonder if that was on purpose or just a little mistake. Maybe there was a halogen light bulb salesman in here and he hid the LED ones. I liked the Dynaglow one better, but they didn't say that they had any of those in stock, so I was satisfied with the Mr. Heater ones. But now they've got them both, so now I got to do a side by side. Gina actually suggested this one, but I think that's more than what I need. Best I can tell, the Dynaglow has the adjustable heads, but the Mr. Heater does not. I think I'm going to go with the Dynaglow. I was thinking, this is so cool, they don't have to send somebody out here to be able to do this for me. And then I hit the button, and apparently I do need to have somebody come out and do it for me. So back into the store I go. So I go in to customer service and say, the kiosk isn't working. She goes, yeah, we're out of propane. And she says, would you like to return it? And I'm like, well, yeah, I'm not getting what I paid for. Of course I'd like to return it. I do like how Subaru makes it extremely easy to get to the filter and to change it. And what's brilliant about this design is how just loosening it creates its own drain pool. So like in the van, you take it off and it just drips down all over you. This is so smart. I'm not exactly sure why I like doing this, but I don't know, there's a sense of satisfaction of having it done and just making sure I understand how it all gets done. Now it's time to fill it back up. The other thing I like about changing the oil in the Subaru is the clearance underneath. I don't have to use the jack to get it up any higher. So Home Depot was out of propane. I'm excited to use my new burner, and so I looked online for closest, and Walgreens carries propane. So I'm gonna get some. I swear, I have a pocket in this toolbox for every single tool. I think I just keep changing them up. And my knife might actually be downstairs, which I'm gonna go get because I'm about to seriously up my driveway beer game. The toolbox pocket system is only as good as you follow through with it. But now I have my knife. And now I get to open my new heater, and it's unseasonably warm for the 8th of December. But that's not going to stop me from setting it up and going out and enjoying dinner on my back deck. Oh, I can feel the heat already. Okay, the instructions seem amazingly simple. I just need to attach this bracket to here, and then this bracket goes on the tank, and then I'll light it up. Lighting this is pretty easy, but you do have to wait 30 seconds with this safety shutoff valve, which I've been talking instead of counting, so we'll just have to estimate. So I was a little worried when I first set this up, thinking that it didn't crank out enough heat, but I had dinner out here, and I moved it a little closer just to check it out. And I got a little too hot, so pushed it back a little bit. I'm probably 3 feet away from it right now, and it is keeping me nice and comfortable. Now, granted, it's not that cold of a night, probably low 40s, high 30s, and I probably will be using this more during daylight time than at night like this, but so far so good. I don't know that it's going to have the range or the capability to do 2 people sitting 6 feet apart to keep us both warm. But it will at least keep me warm. It's good because if I'm drinking cold beer, this helps keep me warm. But now I'm thinking I might need to switch to some hot chocolate with maybe a little bit of Irish cream in it.